Updating your payment information on Shopify is essential for ensuring smooth transactions and auto processing. Follow these steps to easily update your payment details. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting a Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have administrative access to make changes. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option at the bottom left corner of the admin dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Payment Providers. In the Settings menu, find and click on Payment Providers. This section contains all the payment methods currently set up for your store. Step 4. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This will ensure that your new payment details are stored and active. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently update your payment information on Shopify. Regularly checking and updating your payment methods can help avoid any disruptions in your business operations.